I do not care. Toss a couple of rocks in the decoy, lead you into an obvious spot where I can set up shop with a rifle cocked, and you are the target I want dead. If you come across any of my hidden bombs, you'll regret that you didn't watch your step. Factoring in bullet drop and wind speed, ballistics are not a problem. If I do not put some bullets in your face, ricochet might be the reason why you drop dead. By the time you get close, I relocate. I am always one step ahead. Enjoy your every breath, cause it might be your last. I'll take you by surprise, my knife in your bag. You'll never see me coming, cause I'm across the map. After I take my aim, I'm taking out the trash. I'm taking out the trash. I'm taking out the trash. Always gotta keep a lot of distance between me and my enemies. I've totaled my fair share of Panzer single-handedly. Your campaign ends today in a goddamn tragedy. Hit the floor cause I'm watching ya. I've got your location with my binoculars, painting the landscape with the Nazi blood. That's the landmine you're on top of. Run! I should let you know that your testicles are now front and center in my reticle. Get a vasectomy when my trigger's pulled. Don't expect the best from a professional. I'm a deadly marksman, you already know I am. You'll be gone long before you know you're in over your head. Before I leave, I'm making sure each Nazi soldier's dead. But I won't be leaving soon, so I wouldn't pull my friend. Malfunction, it's your big mystery solved. Damage is collateral. Nazis ought to run home. Every good goddamn chance I get, I'll kill two